Hello and welcome to my channel CAD Experts. In this video, we will explore the Google Earth Pro software. Google Earth Pro is a very powerful tool. It allows you to explore and study geographic information in many ways. It has more features than the regular Google Earth program. These extra features makes it better for professional and detailed work. Google Earth Pro gives you access to high quality satellite and aerial images. This lets you see detailed pictures of Earth's surface. This can be helpful for things like city planning and watching the environment. The software has advanced tool for measuring things. You can precisely measure distances and areas. It has tools for measuring straight lines, areas, and even 3D distances. These measurement tools can be useful for planning and analysis. The software provides 3D views of land and buildings, creating a more engaging experience. This feature is helpful for seeing geographic and architecture details in the more realistic way. Historic imagery. User can access past satellite images to see changes over the time. This feature is important for studying environmental changes, urban growth, and other changes over the time. User can add custom images and data overlays on the map. This capability allows for the visualization of specific information. Google Earth Pro provides access to a variety of data layers, including demographic information, road network, and much more. These layers can enhance the context and depth of geographic information. Application of Google Earth Pro. Urban planning. Planners can see city layouts, infrastructure projects, and changes or to zoning. Environmental monitoring. Researchers can track things like deforestation, changes to habitats, and other ecological events. Educators and students use it for interactive geography lessons and explorations. Accessibility. Google Earth Pro can be downloaded for free. This means anyone can use it, including individuals, teachers, and groups, without having to pay. Google Earth works on different computers, operating systems such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. Google Earth Pro provides many useful tools for closely examining and studying geographic information. Its advanced features and ability to work with different type of data make it useful for both experts and people who are interested in geography. You can zoom in and zoom out on the globe by scrolling mouse. You can do it also by pressing plus and minus icon on slider. You can rotate the globe left, right, and up, down with the mouse. also rotate by clicking on Move Around keys. In the search bar, you may search any landmark or cities and it will navigate the city or landmark you searched. Thanks for exploring with us on Google Earth Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video.